Hi everyone, welcome to Destination Delivered. I'm Nikki, the founder and owner of Destination Delivered. We are a boutique travel inspired subscription box that is delivered to your door every single month. So welcome to you if you are new. We're glad to have you here. If you're one of my current subscribers, thank you so much. I love you guys. You guys are amazing and I appreciate you being on this journey with me. So this is our 5th month. Can you believe it? 5 months of doing this. So we're a brand new company and just getting started. So we have gone to some really amazing destinations throughout these last 5 months. And this one is no different. And I think I say this every single month, but this one truly, I think is my favorite box so far, like favorite box to date. So let's get into it before I jump out of my skin because I'm so excited about this. So our destination is, I'm sorry, I'm checking to make sure I'm still videoing here. So our destination this month for July is Tuscany, Italy. Now, I have had the opportunity to travel to Tuscany. It was several years ago with my husband when we were dating. And we had so much fun and it was absolutely amazing and I highly recommend it for everyone. So let's get into it. So our first item up, and those of you who are new, I do want to let you know that I curate these items from all around the world and I make sure that they are good for the location. So it represents the location. So it could be an item, it could be a scent, it could be a smell, like a taste or anything like that. It could be a color. So I kind of just make it an immersive experience for all of your senses. So that is kind of the goal of this, to just kind of give you a little time to relax and do a little something for yourself every single month. So let's get into it. Our first item up is our 40-ounce ceramic pasta bowl. Now, I love these bowls. There are 4 different designs. So the design that you're seeing here may or may not be the one that you get in your box because there are 4 different ones. But these are 40 ounces, so they're a really nice size. You can put this in the center of your table, fill it with your pasta and serve out of it. Or if you want to, you can just use it for yourself and let everybody else use something else. So that is your item. It is a beautiful warm cream color with an antique kind of goldy bronze edge on it, and then these beautiful designs on the side. So that is your first item. Next up is one of my absolute personal favorite olive oils. This is Partana or Partana. I never really know how to pronounce it. But anyway, this oil is a very high quality oil. It is absolutely delicious. You can drizzle it on your pastas. We like to drizzle it over burrata cheese with heirloom tomatoes and do a little fresh cracked pepper and a little bit of salt. It's delicious for that. You can you can put it in a bowl and put some salt and pepper and maybe some oregano and do it as a dipping oil for crusty bread, which is also absolutely delicious. So item number 2, Partana olive oil. Next up is the Tuscan Farmhouse Blend spices from Salt Sisters. Now, this has a lot of different flavors in it, and I'm going to read it off of my little card here. Let's see, it has Italian herbs, garlic, and a hint of crushed red pepper. This blend brings rustic warmth of the Italian countryside to your kitchen. Ideal for seasoning meats, roasted vegetables, salads, soups, stews, pasta sauces, and homemade bread. This versatile blend brings a taste of Italy to every meal. So that is yours to play around with, and I would love for you guys, if you make something with it, tag me on your Instagram or Facebook because I would love to see what you guys come up with. So item number 3. Next up is I did a custom blend reed diffuser for you guys. So you do have 7 reeds here. You do not have to use all of them. I also included a little how to use card. I do want to let you know these caps are very tight and you will probably want to use like a little gripper thing to take them off. They're very tight to make sure that nothing leaks during transit. But I did develop this special blend just for you guys, and you can kind of see some of the videos of me doing that before. And it is called Tuscan Villa. And some of the scent notes in this, you're gonna get olive leaf, you're going to get fig, and you're gonna get thyme. So be aware of that. These are very strong when you open them. So kind of put them off into like a little corner and put, 3 or 4 reeds in it, and then you can add more if you want a stronger scent. They do fill up a smaller room very quickly, so just be aware of that as well. But you can read all about it on your little how-to card. So it is your Tuscan Villa Reed diffuser. I hope you guys really enjoy it because it does smell really, really yummy. Next up is another custom blend that I did for you guys. This is called Tuscan Fields. It is a hand soap that you can use in your bathroom, in your kitchen, really wherever you would like to use it. It's in a beautiful dark olive green bottle and really pretty label on the back of them. I've also included an extra card on the side because the ones on the back are very hard to read. So I added a little extra card for you guys so you can actually read what it says. So another custom blend for you guys. Now this one has fragrance notes of blood orange, black raspberry, plum, rose, a couple different kinds of roses, vanilla, vetiver, musk, and I can't pronounce that one, bellum or something like that. Anyway, that is your soap. It is so nourishing and so soft. It has really nice high quality ingredients in it. So make sure that you try this out because it is really nice. And I did a lighter scent on that so it wasn't so overwhelming to have on your hands the whole time. And let's see, what do we have next? Next up is your monthly recipe card. This is a Tuscan lemon pasta. I tried this a couple weeks ago. It is really, really yummy. Couple of suggestions. I did put them at the bottom here because you can put chicken, you can put shrimp on it, or you can do burrata cheese. That's what we ended up doing. We did burrata, and oh my gosh, it was incredible. I also included capers on here. I know some people don't like capers. I personally love them, and so I put extra on mine, but you don't absolutely have to put that on there, but it does give it a really nice little flavor. So Tuscan lemon pasta for you to enjoy at home. It's a very quick, very easy recipe that you can use your olive oil for, as well as your bowl. So that is up. And then every single month, so if you're a very first time customer, you get a album in your very first box. Now this is for the subscribers. If you buy a one-time box, the album is not included. This is only for subscribers. But in your very first box, you get this postcard album. Now, I do design these personally for every location. This one is our Tuscany one, obviously. So it is a beautiful card that you can actually keep in your album. And I do know, I've heard from several of my customers that they actually put their recipe cards behind each of their locations. And as you can see, we have visited Ireland, Savannah, Georgia, Provence, the Big Island of Hawaii, and now Tuscany. So you can put these in here. It's just a little keepsake that you can have for that. And on the back of all of these cards is, sometimes it'll give you tips and tricks of how to visit the location. It will also give you some did you know items. This one is a did you know? And then maybe there's like a little tip from me, or maybe it's just like a cultural information about the destination as well. At the bottom of every one of these cards is a QR code. And it will lead you, when you scan it with your phone, it will lead you to a Pinterest board that I have curated for you guys that will let you continue the journey. And it'll give you some recipes or some foods that you can enjoy when you're in the location, or you can make it home. It'll give you some really nice landscapes or things to do in the locations. So just a little extra to kind of continue the journey. And last but certainly not least, you do get one of these cards every single month. You get a little welcome note from me, and then on the back of the cards, it does have everything that is listed in your box, explains everything for you. And here is another QR code on the bottom of this welcome card that is in the very front of your box. This QR code goes to a special Spotify playlist that I put together for each destination that you, again, scan it with your phone, and you can listen to the music that is for the location that you're at. So it just kind of helps bring everything together. It brings your experience together. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this. Let's go through it one more quick time. You have your welcome card with everything on the back, QR code for the Spotify playlist. You have your keepsake card with the QR code for the Pinterest board to continue the journey. You have your recipe that I hope you all will try because it is really yummy. We have our Tuscan farmhouse blend spices, super yummy. They actually smell delicious too. You have your Tuscan Villa reed diffuser with your reed sticks, as well as your how-to and your item or information about the blend. And then you have your Tuscan Fields hand soap, again with a little card that goes with it that tells you about it. My favorite olive oil, and your 40-ounce pasta bowl. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out with me and listen. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Again, we do a different destination every single month. Our next destination is coming up very quickly, so follow me on Instagram or Facebook, and I do drop some little hints here and there. Sometimes they're a little obscure. You may not really know what it is. Sometimes it's a little different, so it's always fun to kind of guess and see where we're going. But this next destination is a really cool place, and I am so excited. So I hope that you will join me, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful